Kung ikaw ay isang breadwinner, napakahalaga na ikaw ay may proteksyon or insurance. Maraming mga Pinoy ayaw kumuha ng insurance kasi iniisip nila ito ay mapapakinabangan lamang kung sila ay mawala sa mundong ito. Pero kung talagang naintindihan mo ang significance, ang importance of having an insurance, aba talaga namang magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind. Ngayon, meron namang dalawang strategy kung paano ka magkaroon ng insurance. Some people choose to have VUL or variable unit link, at yung iba naman merong alam yung tinatawag na buy term, invest the difference or BTID. Ano nga ba ang kaibahan ng VUL at ng BTID? Pag-usapan muna natin ngayon yung mga facts about life insurance. Una, the cost goes up every year because the risk of dying is higher as you get older. Kaya nga, kung kukuha ka ng insurance, ma-VUL man yan, or you are using BTID, talaga naman, kapag ikaw ay late nang kumuha, mataas na talaga ang premium. And cost is also based on your health. At there is no free insurance. Ngayon, bakit mo ba kailangan ng life insurance? Unang-una, to protect your family if you die too soon. Yan po talaga ang isa sa mga reason kung bakit natin kailangan ng insurance, dahil mahal natin ang pamilya. Wag naman sanang sila ay mag-struggle kung tayo ay wala na sa mundong ito. Pangalawa, to replace your income. Dahil nga ikaw yung tinaguriang ATM ng pamilya mo, at kung nais mo na hindi naman sila magiging kawawa, kapag may insurance ka, kumbaga merong income, instant money na maaari nilang makuha. And to finance your children's education. Yes, kasi nga, ang anak mo, kung ikaw ay wala na sa mundong ito, tuloy pa rin siya sa kanyang pag-aaral kung ikaw ay fully protected or you have sufficient insurance. And to pay estate tax. At syempre, magiging instant money nga ito sa family mo, and maaari din nila yung gamitin pambayad sa utang. That's why, if you love your family, you need to get yourself protected or sufficiently insured. Magkano bang insurance ang kailangan mo? Para kapag nais mo na talagang magkaroon ng insurance, abay alam mo kung magkano dapat ang iyong coverage. Ito po ang basic na formula. Ang tinatawag nating annual income times 10 or income replacement. Ano ba ito? Kapag ikaw ay mawala sa mundong ito, syempre, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, yung insurance magiging instant money, magiging income replacement ng family. Kaya, you have to make sure na ang kukunin mong insurance coverage ay yung annual income mo times 10, yun po dapat ang magiging face amount mo. Kaya kung halimbawa, kumikita ka every month ng 20,000, i-times mo yan sa 12, syempre, di ba, 12 months or 1 year, this is your annual income. Multiply by 10, then 2.4M dapat ang face amount mo. For complete insurance needs calculation, you can also use DIME method. So, mas specific itong DIME method. Paano ba yan? Syempre, kailangan mong ilista yung utang mo. Halimbawa, meron kang utang na 200,000, di ba? Tapos, yung income replacement mo of 2.4. Tapos, meron kang mortgage. Halimbawa, yung bahay, meron kang balance sa housing loan yun na 600,000. So, ilista mo yan. And of course, yung education, kung halimbawa, meron kang isang anak, di ba? Ipagpalagay na lang natin 700,000 ang kailangan mong budget para sa anak mo. Kaya kung halimbawa, meron kang 2 anak, i-times 2 mo. Tapos kung 3, times 3 mo. So, ibig sabihin, you have a total responsibility of 3.9. So, ito dapat ang iyong face amount na kukunin para sufficient kung or you are properly or fully protected talaga. Kasi ganito yan, kapag ang anak mo ay maiiwan, syempre, or mahal mo sa buhay, yung insurance ang maaring magiging karamay niya. That's why protecting yourself is loving your family. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng BTID? In simplest terms, buy term and invest the difference, or BTID is a strategy na kung saan you can determine how much you are willing to set aside every month for investment, and from that budget, you can deduct your term insurance cost and then i-invest mo na ang difference
sa iba't ibang mga investment instruments katulad ng stocks, mutual funds, UITF, at kung ano-ano pa. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng VUL? Ito po ay Variable Unit Link. This is a mix of an insurance and an investment. Kumbaga, itong Variable Unit Link, maaari mong i-customize kasi nga you can choose your comfortable amount of investment, amount of coverage, what riders to add, the payment terms, and you can choose the fund for investment. So, ano ang difference between BTID and VUL? So, BTID believes in separating your life insurance from your investment. So, ibig sabihin, nangangailangan talaga dito ng disiplina and of course, financial literacy. Ngayon, on the other hand, ang VUL naman or the Variable Unit Link or Variable Universal Life, your investment and insurance are in just one instrument. Ngayon, kung ikaw ay mag-BTID, then you can have that with most 18 or with most GRP. And i-compare natin ang magiging returns ng iyong investment with VUL or if you are doing the most 18 by term, invest the difference. Kaya kung halimbawa, ikaw ay 30 years old at meron kang kinuhang 1M na face value. Syempre, ito po yung age na ikaw ay nagsimula. So kapag sa VUL, ang premium mo ay 35,000 annually. So, kung halimbawa, meron po silang projected fund value, ito po yung magiging value. And ang death benefit, of course, ito po yon the face amount plus the interest doon sa iyong VUL. Ngayon, with the most 18 or most GRP, with the face amount of 1 million, ang annual premium mo ay 5,710. Ngayon, ito kasing by term, ibig sabihin, kapag ka-term insurance, mas mura. Kaya kung makikita mo, ito na yung malaking kaibahan. With the VUL, you will pay a big amount of money and of course, then hindi mo alam kung magkano doon sa amount na iyong ibinayad ang mapupunta sa investment. But with the buy term, invest the difference, you know exactly ano ang napunta or magkano napunta sa term insurance at magkano ang mapupunta naman sa investment. That's why with this example, ang taong ito ay naglalagay pa rin. Ito yung budget na kanyang nilalagay sa kanyang most 18 or sa most GRP. Now, ang premium ay 5,710 kaya yung excess ay kanyang ininvest. Kasi with the most 18 or most GRP, meron din po itong investment side or yung tinatawag na PDF or the Premium Deposit Fund. Now, of course, with that investment, nag-earn din po yan ng interest and ang magiging death benefit, of course, ito po yan, mas magiging malaki. Diba? Yung kanyang investment. Kaya kung mapapansin po natin, ito po yung magiging value ng iyong pera at the age of 65 and ito naman ang value ng most 18 or most GRP mo, you are using the BTID strategy. So, mas malaki ang magiging benefit and of course, mas mataas din ang projected fund value. That's why you decide whether you go for term insurance, diba? A type of life insurance which needs to be paid for every year at a very low premium. And you can also have that separate, diba, na investment na kung saan you can maximize the growth of your money by investing it yourself since you already have access to different investment, diba? Kaya kung halimbawa, you want to have this VUL, kumbaga nakalamsam na, pwede rin naman. But our recommendation is you need to buy term insurance and invest the difference or the BTID. Yun nga lang, this requires talaga financial literacy and discipline kasi nga kapag nakatipid ka nga sa term insurance mo pero hindi mo naman in-invest, so mas maigi na mag-VUL ka. Now, you need to know your suitable and affordable insurance na babagay talaga sa'yo. Again, term insurance is cheaper. Kapag nakamura ka, you need to invest yung natipid mo.
Dito sa IMG, talaga namang itinuturo yung mga strategy, yung mga tamang concept para ikaw ay magiging sariling money manager. You have to manage your own money at talaga namang do it yourself. Matatalo ka lamang sa BTID strategy kung ang natipid mo ay gagastusin mo. I hope you find this video informative. If you do, kindly share this video to your families and friends para sila din ma-aware sa kaibahan ng VUL at BTID. Whatever insurance type ang kukunin mo, ang mahalaga, you are sufficiently insured, you are properly protected para kung halimbawa ikaw man ay mag-exit sa mundong ito, ikaw po ay maaalala pa rin at talagang buhay na buhay pa rin sa pamilya mo dahil meron kang naging income replacement, ang insurance money na maaaring mapakinabangan ng iyong pamilya.